After you've decided on your niche, you'll have to go in and get a domain name and web hosting. And so when you're buying your domain name, make sure to register it for at least 2 years. This lets Google know that you're serious about your business and it's just not a spam domain that you're going to spam Google with. And I do believe Google does check and checks the who is and make sure what information is on any domain name. When you're registering your domain name, don't register your domain name in the format with dashes. There's a lot of reasons for this, but what I'm talking about is like when you put keyword1 dash keyword2 dash keyword3.com. It was really popular a few years ago, and I even still have a few of my older sites that are like this, but it's no longer recommended. For one thing, when you're promoting your domain name, it's easier, like ours, kevinandkarenlynch.com, a lot easier to say it without the hyphens and promote it. And Google don't look at it as a spam domain either. So when you do register a domain name, just make sure that you get one of your keywords in it also. So like if you were going for, unless you're trying to brand yourself, like we were trying to brand our names. As I say trying, we're branding our names, so that's why we have kevinandkarenlynch.com. Let's say if you were a dog trainer, you might get the name Dog Training with Bob or something like that. But try to get your main keyword in it. I use Namecheap. I've got some at GoDaddy also, but I really like Namecheap the best. And then you'll need web hosting. So once you've got your domain name, it's time to register for a hosting account. Now, web hosting allows your website to be connected to the World Wide Web or the Internet. This is what allows people from all over the world to actually see your site. So you will need hosting. And there's all kinds of hosting companies to choose from, and you can go out and research this, and I recommend that you do research it. There are many factors to consider when choosing your hosting company, like the level of support you'll need, services that are included, and monthly fees, and the really big one is uptime. Making sure that they're up almost 100% of the time. I've had hosting companies that were down more than they were up. And another big one is how secure. In other words, not getting hit with hackers and stuff. I had just got rid of one hosting company here about a year ago that just was hacked. Every time I turned around, it was hacked. So, but I recommend HostGator. I've never had a problem with them. Their uptime is great. Their service is great, and you can get a hold of somebody. And that's I really recommend HostGator. So anyway, that's it for this video. Don't want to go in too long. And then I'll see you on the next video tomorrow, which tomorrow I think we'll go into list building. And then after list building, I'll put it all together and build that website I was talking about, and just show you how to do everything in one video on building the website. So we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.